Patrick here with JM Test Systems. Today we're going to go over startup and fresh air setup of your RKI GX3R and GX3R Pro gas monitors. Fresh air setup is vital to your gas monitor's health. This procedure regulates the 0 point of the sensor calibration curve and can help determine when a full sensor calibration or sensor replacement is required. Let's go ahead and start the unit up by pressing and holding the power mode button until you hear a beep. During the startup sequence, the monitor will scroll through the set values for days until calibration is required, current date and time, battery status, installed sensors, upper and lower alarm settings, STEL and TWA settings. The unit will then beep twice to indicate that it is in measuring mode. Press and hold the air button until the unit beeps again. The unit will adjust the sensors, then return to measurement mode. Your monitor is now ready for use. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informational content like this.